UltraColor Stretch with blocker is everything you love about UltraColor Stretch, but adds a blocker within it to prevent dye migration. The special blocking technology and high opacity inks let you decorate on heavily dyed polyester or sublimated fabrics with confidence. First, we're going to set the heat press temperature to 290 degrees and set the time to 12 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to take our garment and thread it onto the heat press. UltraColor Stretch with blocker works best on cotton, polyester, cotton poly blends, spandex, lycra, and woven nylon. Next, let's pre-press our garment for 3 to 5 seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. UltraColor Stretch with blocker is available on large 11.5 by 18-inch sheets or by the individual image. We're going to position the transfer on the garment with the ink side facing down. You want to place a cover sheet over the transfer to reduce the static buildup that may cause the transfer to peel early. Now we're going to press the garment for 12 to 15 seconds with a medium pressure. UltraColor Stretch with blocker requires a cold peel. We'll remove the shirt from the press and allow the transfer to cool completely to the touch. Once cooled, we can peel the transfer paper in a smooth and even motion. And now, your UltraColor Stretch with blocker digital screen printed transfer is applied.